than her like that. You know, comparing yourselves to other, it leads to a jealousy mindset. Mm-mm. Amanos, I'm a flirt. You know, yeah, I know that is a flirt, but his heart is only for one person. I know that. Grabe trust talaga, no? So that is why trust is very important. I'm a flirt. Though the problem of, I like this one. I'm a flirt. If you are a flirt, nakakatawa. If you are a flirt, the problem is what if the other person that you are flirting will flirt with you? You know, flirt back. That is why they said it's tawag doon. They call it is respect flirt. You know, if you flirt someone else, that person also will flirt to you, and it's a respect flirt. Actually, it's because that person is being challenged. Diba? Sister PG? Flirt with no action. Oh, flirt with no action. Oh my goodness. You are very matalino do. You are a smart guy. That is why. Hindi kinoo ko. Grabe talaga tong topic natin. It makes me So, ganoon yon. So, tipidchi, respect flirt. Respect flirt is like this. This example of respect flirt is that person flirts with you. Yeah, it happens a lot to me because I always avoid looking at the eyes of the, here in Singapore, example, that person is flirting. I can see that this person is flirting with me is because the eyes is like, the way that he looks at me, it's like, oh my god, I like that, the look. If you are a woman, yung nag-iisip ka for yourself ba na you have to avoid the eyes. That's the only thing. To avoid the flirt with a guy who is yung mga lalaki na, oh my goodness. Oh, may story ako, guys, about mamaya na story. Let's continue. Flirt with no action. Grabe talaga ito si Doo. Flirt with no action. Is it possible to have doing the flirt with no action? Ayan, yan yung Sister Pidchi. Yung respect flirt, yung nag-response ka. You are responding to the person who's flirting with you. Ganoon yun. Grabe naman itong topic natin. Puro relationship. Ano ba kayo? Relationship talaga ito. Oo, yun Tipidchi. Did it happen to you, Tipidchi? Tipidchi. Yes, it is. Know someone like that. Yeah, like, nag-flirt, tapos, of course, the other person will, yung feeling, di ba, ganoon kasi yun eh. And, if there's a flirt, this is already, anong tawag doon, kapag nag-flirt ang lalaki, sis, or ang babae, sis, stupid, there's a meaning of that, anong tawag doon sa kanya? I heard that one before. Anong tawag doon? Kalimutan ko. Someone like that. Ano pa? What else? Charot, charot, charot. So, minsan ganoon lang. So, hindi mo talaga mapapigilan ang tao. Ganoon lang yun. Iba-iba. Every person is different. Ganoon lang. About grabe talaga ang weathered. What else? Dapat makalimot jud din ko og kining mag ako ba yung mag highlights